Right, good evening everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. Like I always say, I do genuinely appreciate it. If you could help me out by dropping a like, subscribing and leaving any comments or questions below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I want to talk about VeChain again today, but as usual I'll start off by going through the cryptocurrency market as a whole. As you can see, we've dropped below 800 billion. We're currently sitting at a market cap of 796 billion with a 24-hour trading volume of 27 billion. Bitcoin dominance still sits around 40%, so Bitcoin itself is sitting at 16.6 still, so not much movement at all. The overall market's down 0.15%, so it's fairly flat, which is what I'd expect this time of year. The biggest fallers, Solana's down a bit, Matic's down a bit. Solana's down 10% actually, which is quite a lot, so I'm considering selling off some of my holdings in Solana. It's dropping down the rankings, whereas it's 19th now, so it's down 25% on the week. So I don't know, I think I'm going to keep 50 or something and sell the rest, swap it for VeChain, which is the project I want to talk about today. So VeChain's down 0.5% today, sitting at 1.5 cents, market cap of 1.142 billion and a circulating supply of 72.5 billion, which is 84% of the total available supply. You can see it's been a fairly choppy day, not really a lot. It's been moving sideways, so there's not much to talk about really price action wise, but it's just more on this, just the constant updates that keep coming from VeChain day in day out. And to me, investing in this, like, none of this is financial advice, but investing in VeChain at the price it is now, it's just like a complete no-brainer. I don't understand why anyone wouldn't want to invest in this. I have to emphasize once again, this isn't financial advice, it's just my own opinion. So I'll go through this article, but every day there's just more and more bullish news coming out for this project, and I personally can't see how it can fail. Obviously it can, but I'm failing to see flaws in this project, in this ecosystem. So anyway, VeChain profiles for Auth-Service for billion-dollar ecosystem launches. Will it drive the VET price? VeChain Energy announces a profile feature for Auth-Service that enables personalization with nicknames. The update is only the last in recent innovations VeChain has introduced to drive Web 3.0 adaptation. Leading blockchain platform VeChain, a network designed to enhance supply chain management and business processes, has continued to introduce innovation to Web3 applications. The network has launched a new iteration of its Auth-Service that introduces profile extension. Per a recent announcement, the extension will enhance user experience on VeChain by allowing more personalized user profiles with nicknames. Right, so VeChain Energy tweeted, "Say goodbye to bleak, impersonal DApps. Our Auth-Service now supports nicknames for personalized user experience on VeChains." You can go to Twitter to see that and read more about it, but they're just constantly moving forward, update day after day after day. VeChain Energy explained how it works in a blog post. Per the post, the profile extension introduces a new scope called Profile on the application side. When users interact with the network's applications, they will get a prompt to select a nickname from a trusted source. This profile selection is stored in the blockchain and automatically used for future sign-ins. Meanwhile, users can manage their profiles at profile.vchain.energy. After signing in, they can change their nickname. This changes the current method of user identification with impersonal wallet addresses and is intended to drive more adaptation. Yeah, because wallet addresses can be pretty tricky to remember. If you paste in a digit wrong or copy or paste it wrong, you can be, I won't even say what I did the other week with some USDT, but I lost 50 quid's worth by sending it to the wrong network, so you've got to be careful out there. Anyway, since many Web3 platforms have expressed facing major challenges with providing engaging user experience, the new feature marks a significant milestone for blockchain's growth. The upgrade is not the last. Is also not the last change that will be made to Auth-Service. VeChain Energy notes in the post that it will be adding more name service sources in future updates. This is the second iteration of our Auth-Service, and we have more updates planned for the future. We'll be adding more established sources and the ability to manage profile information such as profile pictures, the post said. Right, let's carry on. VeChain continues to introduce supply chain management innovations, which is why I got into VeChain in the first place, because I was, prior to my current career, I was involved in supply chain and logistics and whatnot. That was my I was in that industry for 15 years. That's a boring story though. Anyway, the VeChain blockchain is not slacking off on introducing more improvements to help achieve its main use case of simplifying supply chain management through its use of distributed ledger technology. In a recent announcement, the VeChain Foundation revealed that its partnership with SupplyMe Capital plc (SYME) is entering phase 2. The two partnered back in June to build a first-of-its-kind Web3 inventory monetization system. The platform will leverage blockchain and related technologies to help businesses raise value from investors. Per the announcement shared by VeChain influencer Eisenreach, the phase 2 involves an inventory monetization platform 3.0. It also involves an expected roadmap for Web 3.0, features including digital ownership, B2B marketplace, insurance of NFTs, DeFi, and a governance protocol. The network has also made strides in enabling real-world solutions for anti-counterfeiting and traceability. This has aided in enabling luxury goods platforms and companies to improve efficiency and reduce labour costs. The greater adaptation that VeChain is seeing could potentially help its native token exit the bear market to a new high price levels. VET is currently down 81.3% year to date, chart 2022. At the time of this report, the asset is trading at 0.015, up 0.75% in the last 24 hours. So yeah, we're down 81% from all-time highs, and I see this going way past all-time highs. I genuinely believe this is going to go to $1, which is why I'm determined to reach 1 million VeChain. Like, I know I keep saying it, I am nearly there, but I will, once I reach 1 million, I will keep accumulating while we're in this market. If we go to the VeChain chart on the daily, we're on the daily there, so we'll zoom out slightly. There's nothing really technical there other than that we're just still sitting there with this level of resistance has been support has been tested for the first, second, third time. Got a doji setting there. We'll have to see how that closes on the daily hour. Looks like we've got 3 hours 47 minutes, but I'd like to think we'll close above that support. But for me, the technicals don't really matter at the moment. I know I can read a chart, but for the moment I'm just accumulating. I'm not trading, I'm accumulating for the long term. So like I said, none of this is financial advice, but I just can't see how this project can fail. This is a top 10 crypto waiting to explode during the next bull run. A lot of projects are doing next to nothing, but this thing is constantly innovating, constantly getting new partnerships, and investing in this is a no-brainer to me. So like I say, not financial advice, and I'll leave it for there. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'd like to get a few more subscribers on this channel because I'm quite surprised at how many I've got so far already. I appreciate each and every one of you. So take care of yourselves, have a wonderful evening, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.